Wait, are you gonna say hello, my friends?
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because I'm tired of losing my mask. Wait, where's my mask?
Friends, as you can see, we have a tough time keeping track of our masks around here, and yet masks are a reality for the very near future. So today we are making lanyards so that we can hang our masks from our necks and never lose them again. For this project, you will need
your favorite beads, a roller,
you will need bead wire, we like gauge 49, crimper beads, and wire cutters as well as pliers. I got this travel set from Michael's. It was very inexpensive, less than $10, so I would recommend it, and we'll put a link in the description. Well, I'm going to cut 20 inches of bead wire for them. They're going to lay out their bead pattern, and then we can get started. Go ahead. To begin, you'll grab your wire as well as a crimper bead. As you can see, they're super tiny. Place your wire through the crimper bead. Grab your lobster claw, place it on the wire, and then take the end of your wire and loop it back through the other side of your crimper bead. Pull the crimper bead down just a little bit, and then make sure that you don't leave too much excess at the other side. So you're going to pull back on your main wire, and then once you're all set, you'll see the crimper bead with a little bit of slack for movement of your lobster claw. Take a plier or a crimper and go ahead and crimp down on your crimper bead so it's nice and secure. Once you have secured one side of your lanyard, let your kids go ahead and string the beads. Here you go. Once you're finished stringing your beads, you're going to want to make sure that you have enough excess on the end to tie off the end of your lanyard. Take your crimper bead, that little tiny bead, and place your wire through it. Pull it all the way down so it meets up with your last bead on your strand. Take your lobster, put it through the wire. Take the end of your wire, place it back through the other side of your crimper. Pull your excess wire through, leaving just a little bit of slack on the edge for your lobster to move around. Grab your pliers or crimpers, crimp nice and tight. To make sure there's no slack left, and then take your wire cutters and cut off the excess wire.
That was fun. I'm excited I'll never lose my mask again.
Me too.
Please like this video
And subscribe to our channel.
Bing! Bing!
Ding! See you next time.
Bye! Are you gonna say
You will need pliers and it was so good. It was so good.
It's okay, Mom.
For your necklace.
Mommy.
Please like this video. Please like this video. Please like this video.